Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT Doc Tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm continuing the series of tutorials relating to this project school registration system. This video tutorial has the goal to fill in the combo box of countries. I'm gonna go to student form. I mean this combo box to be filled in with the name of the countries. Let's release this application first. Yeah, I've got this main form and the buttons here on the right side. I'm going to release the student form with a click on the button. Yeah, so I want to fill in this combo box of the country with the name of the countries. Yeah, so let's see how we can do that. Right? First of all, I have to go inside the student form code, which is this one. You can do this either going to Solution Explorer. So open the Solution Explorer, go on the student form, right click with the mouse and click on View Code, and this will take you inside the student code. So first of all, I need a directive which make me able to work with the classes which works with the SQL Server. The directive is using system dot data dot SQL client. Yes, so in this moment, from now on, I'm able to use the classes which will work with the SQL Server. So I'm going to go inside this class, and I'm going to use this class SQL adapter, SQL data adapter, and I'm going to create this object data PT. So actually this object will hold the SQL statement which will select our table, which table I need. I go to SQL Server. I need this table, the values of this table, country. Let's select this table, right click and select top 1000 rows. And here you go. Here is the table what I need to fill in this common box of country. Yeah, so that's why I need this object, and created based on this class SQL data adapter, because this object will be able to store the SQL server command which will communicate with the SQL server. Yeah, okay, and which kind of command, a SQL command I need to select this table. I need the select SQL server command. Yeah, okay, but let's go further. Another class what I need is data table, and I'm going to create this object using this class DT. Actually this object will store the table, namely this table country, its values. Yeah, namely United Kingdom, United States, France, Canada and Spain. Another line, I'm going to create another instance what I need to connect the database. In last video tutorial I created this connection class. Actually this class will create a connection to database, will open and close the connection to the database. So I need to create an instance using this class. Yeah, I go back inside the student code. So I'm going to create an instance using this connection class. I'm going to create this object con, and the instance new connection parentheses and semicolon. Okay, here you go. So I used all the classes what I need in this code, in this project. Now in this moment I'm going to create now a method which will be used to fill in my combo box, my country combo box with the countries. Yeah, so this method is going to be public, type void. I'm going to name it display countries, and I'm going to write this CMB or CBM, let it be CBM, to know that this method will fill in a combo box, yeah, just to have an idea. All right, curly brackets, and now I'm going to use this object data pt to store the SQL Server command, which is needed to select the country table, creating a new instance using again this SQL data adapter class, parentheses. I'm going to write now the semicolon, inside the parentheses a double quotes, because I'm going to use a string. What is going to be the string? The string is going to be actually the SQL statement, which is absolutely necessary to select the country table. So I'm going to write the statement, the SQL statement, select asterisk, the name from, and the name of the table. I'm going to check the name of table. I'm going to go in SQL Server Main Studio, yeah, country with capital C. All right, so country. Okay, here you go. What I need further is to open the connection to my database. So I'm going to use this object con. Yeah, I created the object here using this instance here. Yeah, using this class connection. So dot, and I need a method. Is this a method which will open the connection to database? Open con. All right, good. Actually, and parentheses. Actually, if I go inside the connection class, yeah, you can see here how I have done the connection with the database. If you didn't watch my last video tutorial and you want to know how I created this class, you can watch that video tutorial if you want, of course. And here is the method which will make the connection to database. Yeah, and this method I used here inside this code, inside this statement here. Yeah, as you can see, to open the connection to database. Yeah. All right, now in this moment this object data pt will store this SQL statement which will work with SQL Server, and will select this table, yeah, namely country table. Okay, let's go forward, and now I'm going to use this tt object, and I'm going to create another instance using this data table class. So actually this object dt will store the table, and to do so I have to use again this data pt object. Why I should use again this object? I have to use again this object because this object hold this SQL statement, yeah, which will select the country table. And now I'm going to use this method fill, which will fill our object dt with the values of country tables, of the value of this table country, namely United Kingdom, United States, France, Canada, Spain, and the primary key of this table as well. Yeah. Okay. From now on, I'm able to use the statements which will fill in my country combo box with the name of the countries from SQL Server. How can I do this? So I'm going to use the name of the country combo box. To do so, I'm going to go inside the form of students, and I'm going to check the name of this combo box. I'm going to go in properties, and here CBM country. All right, okay, CBM country dot, I need a data source this is a property which will get the source of my data. So where is my data? My data is stored by this object dt, yeah. And now again cpm country, and now I'm going to use the properties which will fill in my country combo box. I'm going to use two properties. The first one is display member, which actually will hold the name of the countries. So I need to do so the name of this column, which holds the name of the countries. So this one, country name, yeah. And I'm going to write down here country name. Here you go, yeah. And another property will be dot value member, which will hold the index of this combo box, which actually is the primary key of this country table, yeah. And I have to write this the name of this column, country ID, yeah, country ID. Let's go inside the double quotes. Here you go, country ID. Okay, I finished this method. Let's see if this will fill in the country combo box in my application. Let's see, I release the application. Yeah, here is the main form. I'm going to release the student form. Here you go. Now, as you can see, my country combo box wasn't filled with the country values with the country names. Is empty, as you can see. Why? This is because we have to use the name of the method of this method, namely display countries cpm, here inside the constructor, because the constructor has the role to initialize the member of the class, and this method is a member of this class, yeah. Now let's see if now that combo box, that country combo box contains the name of the countries. So let's start again the application. Let's start the student form. Here you go. Now, as you can see, this combo box contains the name of the countries: United Kingdom, United States, France, Canada, Spain. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, very well. It looks great. Actually, these are the values of this table country which was created here in SQL server. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my next video tutorials relating to this project school registration system. See you to a next video tutorial. Bye bye.